Hey there, I'm a homeowner like you, and I'm here in my home today because I wanted to share with you a brand new product that I've uncovered for window treatments called Shaads. Now, many of you like me have had to deal with the old conventional shades, blinds, curtains, and trying to install them, well, for me, never happened. So I am so thrilled to talk to you today about Shaads because it is simple yet elegant and so easy to install. At the same token, it allows me to customize my room in any fashion I so choose. In this case, I can put a Shaad that covers part of the glass, more of the glass, or all of the glass, as you can see here to my left with this particular Shaad. And again, I can't emphasize enough how crazy simple it is to install. For somebody like me who's not handy, this has been a wonderful, wonderful product. And let me show you not only installing it, but also how easy it is to take it on and off the glass. It's off. And now let me put that back on. And look at that, I did it myself, all by myself. It's a wonderful product. Again, customizable, affordable, and also fashionable. Shaads.com.